Learn to be honest with yourself. One. Second, don't justify the disobedience of Allah. Don't. Say I'm weak. Say I lie. Say I'm jealous. I have jealousy in me. Acknowledge it and turn to Allah and says, Ya Allah, cure me. Ya Allah, cure me. Ya Allah, remove. This is what I do for myself. Remove everything from my surroundings and my life that will make your disobedience easier. Did you get it? Because you have to acknowledge. Identify the diseases you have. Identify the diseases you have. I just gave you 3. And once you start working on cleaning, Wallah alladhi la ilaha illa hu, and I said his name. Every time you remove one, you don't know what he does. And he will throw another thing in it, a good thing in it.